folks, how you doing? As I'm sort of ticking away towards my 1,000 mark, or my goal, I thought what I'd do is I'd chuck in, I'm not really keen on doing these giveaway sort of things, but because I think I've done one before and it just feels like that people just follow you because they want the prize or the giveaway, and then they unfollow you again. But I'm going to do it all the same and just see what happens. But basically what I want to do as part of my giveaway this time is, excuse the trains that are in the distance in the background, but what I'd like to do as part of my giveaway is that I would like to give away some wooden wares that I've made. And basically the first one is a chopping board. It's practically finished. I'm just going to put a bit of cordage on there, and then I'm going to actually do some pyrography patterns just on the top end of the chopping board. I'd like to also chuck in a spatula. I'd also like to put in a spoon that I've carved, and then finally what I'd like to do is put in just a little butter knife. Now these three were carved recently out of ash, and I think, I'm not sure if this is ash or sycamore that I finally carved the spoon out of, but there it is. They're the sort of items that I want to give away as a, you know, sort of like a prize I want to do for the giveaway. I've kind of made them all to a size where they'll actually fit into a bag. I've kind of fashioned the chopping board on my little birch one, okay, that comes in really handy. Alright, for when you're out and about. And then on top of that, as I say, I want to chuck in the spatula, a nice little butter knife, and a spoon. Alright, so there it is. So there's going to be, they're the prizes for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, or thereabouts. You know, I might not do it on 1,000. Now an aeroplane's going home. I might just do it just after 1,000. But whoever it is, whichever I decide, the lucky person will obviously receive these products, all made with by hand. Nothing special, more of a rustic look than anything, but the practicality is obviously there with the spoon, the knife, the spatula and the chopping board. Okay, so there it is, folks. So that's going to be my giveaway. Alright, so thanks for watching, and good luck to the hopefully the lucky person that wins the products that or the items that I'm putting out as the giveaway for around the 1,000 mark. Alright, so thanks a lot.